Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can open a long and short position on MEXC Global. So, if you want to trade with leverage on MEXC, here's how you can open long and short positions safely. So, the first thing that you will have to do once you're on the official MEXC website is you will log in to your account, of course, and then here you should see the derivatives or futures tab. So what you will have to do is click that, and then you will just have to choose a trading pair, and then what you will do after that is you will click trade, and then you will choose long if you if you expect price to rise, and short if you expect a drop. Then you will just have to enter the amount and leverage, and then you will review risk warning carefully, and you will just have to confirm the order and monitor your position. And by the way, you will just have to set stop loss or take profit orders for protection. And then after all that, you will just have to close manually or let all orders execute automatically. And trading with leverage is risky. So you should always start small and always manage your risk. And yeah, that's basically just it. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.